What's up, guys? So I'm gonna show you a video about putting on the parachute on green thing. What's up?
We got lights. You could do it tonight.
Yeah, I might go get it, maybe, but I'm gonna do the parachute today, and I already went ahead and took the bumper off, stuff like that, and got the bumper off and mounted up the bar. Joe was telling me right now that he wants me to go get the chute itself. Just a Sunday thing. We were cooking out, and I ended up just wanting to tinker with green thing, and I need to finish it off, get it finalized, the final tune that I need to put on it. And I just kind of put it on the back burner, but I want to come do the parachute, the mounting bracket for it, and get that out of the way rather than just sitting there collecting dust. Real simple, real straightforward. Take off the rear brace. Mine is a Midwest chassis mounting bracket, and you just bolt it onto the four areas here. And I had to do a little modifying on mine just because I've got custom exhaust, so I had to make a little C-notch here for it. And I didn't feel like going back and doing welding and reinventing all that stuff, so I just did a quick C-notch for it. And on this side here, I had modified some of the frame because I had, like I said, previous stuff that I was using different mufflers, all custom. So I'll come back eventually, maybe attend it or do whatever I need to. But for the most part, it's fine. It's on there. So I think I need to cut and trim for this area right here, like a half pipe area. But I'll let me get it on, and then I'll show you and see how it mounts up there. We'll find out. So I went to the house to go grab the chute, and I'm gonna make the cut here. So this is what I have to do. That's where the bar is gonna go. So I just made a invitation marking, and I'm just gonna cut it with my little mini hacksaw. And it looks like that's all that's gonna be needed to be done. Very straightforward. Very, very minimal modifying. So now that we got our chute piece on, we got on the chute itself, the back plating. We need to get the bolt pattern out of it, which we already did. I put it in the back, and I traced it out and just kind of got it symmetrical. And then what we're going to do is mount that on there once we put it on the straddle. And once we bolt that on, that's all there is to it. So I'll do that, and then I'll come back and show you how it looks. So we put our metal plate in here, and the bag's in there. We're just gonna drill the holes, all 4 holes, straight through it, and then that's pretty much all we have to do. All right, so put the chute back on it. This is what it's gonna look like. I gotta put the tail lights on it, and then tomorrow or whenever I get a chance, I'm gonna do the power pull cable, but I'll probably make another video on that. But for now, that covers this part of the video. Looks pretty sweet. I gotta put the tail lights back on, and I'll probably put the next video with the tail lights in it assembled. Right now the stuff is just laying around. So that covers that, and I'm off to go get something to eat and call it a night. I'm out of here. Peace, guys.